Before we get started today, everybody come on over here. Rowan, come on.
Oh.
Now,
Videotape?
we just finished a 6-week body fat transformation contest. Everybody stand around.
Oh.
Yeah, in the background here.
Oh, you're taking a picture.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, get in the background. Exactly.
Yeah. So this started in the middle of July, and we ended it, when did we end? September 1st.
Yeah.
And how much did you lose?
24?
25 and a half to
Oh,
win.
okay.
But, so this is the really cool part. 1, 2, 3, 4, $600 bills. And
I'll hold those for you, Ruann.
a massage gift certificate from Jessica Free. Hold that up and the money. And she's getting two free months of boot camp as well. So that was pretty cool, isn't it?
Good job, Ruann.
So now you got to tell everybody what you did to make sure that you won it.
What I did to make sure that I won it is I came to Coach Terry's boot camp. Faithfully.
Why was that useful?
That was useful because it's like the total package. You get everything you need here. It's better than anything I've ever tried before. You get the nutrition, you get the great, motivating Coach Terry, and all the support you need, and it has just been fabulous for me. I've had to try all kinds of other things in my life, and this is just the best for me, and on top of that, you get the camaraderie to go along with it, and it's just fantastic. I can't say enough about it, and I will be here for a long, long time.
And you did all that hard work too, so give yourself a pat on the back. All right, thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
And this is Roann.